Hey everybody, I just wanted to check in with a quick video this week and share with you some of the things that I've changed around in the van and some things I've improved upon. So let's check it out. So I did update my lights. I'm sure you remember before, but I had the green and purple Christmas lights and the bulbs were just breaking off and I didn't like them, so I got these on Amazon. There will be a link in my video description, so be sure to check it out. And as you can see, they wrap around the entire back end of the van, so they're long enough to go around the entire back end of the van once. They are battery operated, and I just hang this right up here, and on and off switches here, and so it is nice and convenient. When I'm ready to go to bed, I just jump up, turn off the switch right here, nice and easy. Second thing is I did get a Tapestry to go in between the front area of the van and the back. I did mention that I was going to look into getting one of these or some type of a divider in one of my last videos, and I took the dive and I did it. We also found this on Amazon. There will be a link in the video description about this as well. But basically all I did was ran this carabiner line up underneath here, and I just have it hung over that. And I tied it. They do come with little plastic hooks, but they're kind of cheap, so I tied it in a knot, and as you can see, it just goes through here, and that way when you shut the door, it's like added security for that strap. And then to kind of keep everything together, I just use little clothespins, super easy, and we can take it down when we're driving from place to place really quick and easily. Do you like sleeping in here? You're a big help with these videos, you know. You are. Third update to the van is where we store our food. So instead of having one giant food box, I got two smaller ones, and they slide up really easily underneath my cot, so freeing up some space in the back of the van. And not only that, but when you use a cot, you can kind of see it kind of sinks a little bit, and with these containers up underneath the cot, I actually get a little bit more support up underneath the cot and my sleeping pad, so it doesn't feel like I'm sinking down. And they are super easy to just pull right out and grab what you need and put it right back. Alright, so last but definitely not least, because let's be honest, this was my favorite part of all the little improvements we've made on the van in the last couple of weeks. It's gonna be my all-terrain tires. So these are the Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain trail tires. I did get them at Discount Tire Company, so they do have all their warranties on them pretty much for the life of the tire, unless it's completely bald. Now, normal tire size for the Dodge Grand Caravan is a 225 65R17, but I decided to go with the 235 65R17 to give the van a little bit more lift and ground clearance. Now, it didn't give much, only about a half an inch, but hey, you know what? That's more than I had before, and I'll feel a little bit more comfortable going down all the dirt roads that I go with this thing. I also wanted to show you guys this because this thing is pretty nifty, pretty helpful. It does give a decent amount of light in the van, and guess what? There's no cords involved. It's all battery powered. It does come with a little sticky thing on the back, so I just stick it up on the top, the little center header in the van, and it's remote controlled too. So $10 at Walmart. I think the brand is Lights All. I will post the link in my description as well. It does change a few different colors. Again, no cords involved at all in this one. It is completely battery powered, so you don't have to rely off of your Jackery to power it. You don't have to rely off of your USB port in your van to power it. It's all battery powered on its own. It's pretty cool. So thanks for tuning in with us today, guys, and checking out the 5 new improvements or changes that we've made to Campy. And we have a lot more things that we want to do to him, but of course that takes time and money. The next improvement will probably be the roof rack, as we do need to have that installed before our big trip, which is coming up in 2 short months. I literally cannot wait to be on the road for 2 whole weeks with my family and the dogs, and it's just going to be a really good time. You won't want to miss it. If you found this content helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the alert button so you get alerts whenever we post a new video. And again, thanks for checking us out and hanging with us today while we showed you around our new improvements on Campy. See you later, guys. Bye.